Hi friends, energized and energetic with lots of positive vibes. Be energetic always. You should have some move, your unique move, which excites you. Like this. Mine is, I just show you some move which excites you. So whenever you feel sometimes down, just make a move. Take 3 deep breaths like this. Okay. Before going to this topic, actually it is a continuation of last video. Please, those who have not seen my past videos, please move. Then only you will be able to understand, because it is a continuous video on career, and now I am talking about self-discovery. Because before going to select your career, at least you must know who you are, what is your passion, what is your niche, those things. What is your weaknesses and strength points. So those who are not knowing me, my name is Pratap Deisandar. Basically, mechanical engineer by profession. After working for 30 years in different organizations, I left my job last year due to some reasons, personal reasons, as well as my father also expired. There was some this issue also. So that's it. And now, after coming to village, I trained myself as a global career counselor and life coach. And I'm integrating both these two to help mentor students to find their best career options, live a purposeful life, joyful life, because this is the need of the hour. At least we should know what is our purpose. Every soul come to this world with a purpose that has to be met. So self-discovery, another process where you can find this one, you can discover yourself. It is sixth sense. See, my organization name is the Sixth Sense PH. PH stands for Pratap. I'm actually using the sixth sense, find different passions, niche, helping them to find out their niche and passion and career beyond that. So sixth sense can be used to find yourself, who are you and where you are to go. So first thing is intuition. It is a part of sixth sense, where it helps you to find your interests and your activities, which those things resonate with you. This will helps to find your where you want to go. Something that helps you to find out. You are really passionate about something that you can find out. Second is your emotions, desires, and values. You should be able to find out through this sixth sense. First, you have to awaken your sixth sense. That is a different process, because I am doing those things. I am helping to find your how to find your sixth sense, how to awaken your sixth sense. Then, at least you must know what are the opportunities. Recognize the opportunities as per your passion. It can help opportunity in the unexpected places also. I can give you some examples, like one of the professor has come to meet me when I was in school. So definitely, I thought of how to connect to that professor. So I asked him if he can help me to give a speech in his college. So that way, suddenly it comes to your mind if you are awakening your sixth sense and it connects further. Then overcoming your fear. If you have a awakened sixth sense, you can overcome your fear. The biggest fear nowadays is fear of failure. That is the biggest thing, and fear in public speaking also. This is also one of the biggest fear. So, and fear of money. Fear of money means that is actually that is I lose money if I fail. Those things come to your mind. So you try to be in comfortable zone. But once you overcome the fear, you never care about this. You just be on the path. Then the resilience. You face the challenges. You do not go away from the challenges. You are on the path to find your destinations and dream. And lastly, connect with right-minded people, where you also share your passions, needs, and all the things that you are interested. Then others also share. So these things help you to find yourself where you are, what is your weak points, what is your strength points, the sixth sense. You have to awaken your sixth sense. That is my niche actually. I'm using the primarily the sixth sense to find your passion. Then it is career. Okay, that's all for today. All the love, all the power. Happy career.